Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. I actually bought this watch a while ago. I was planning on comparing it to another watch, and I don't know, I guess I forgot about it. So anyway, this package is sitting here, so let's get it open. Actually, there's a little pull tab on here. Let me just pull the tab off here, see if that works. Weird. Oh, just spun the thing around, I wonder. Alright, let's get this out of here. Pretty sure it's a Timex. Yep, Timex Expedition. I bought this watch to compare it to the Vair. I have like a Vair field watch somewhere. This thing I think is half the price or maybe even a third of the price. So I need to look that up and figure out how much I paid for this. So what does it say? Timex Men's TW4B Expedition gray leather strap watch. So let's get this up. There we go. A little more information there. So it's a Movement Philippines, Strap China, Assembly Philippines. So global watch, I guess. Yeah, actually I owned a Timex, over 20 years ago, back when I was in high school, so. Oh, it has a little plastic thing on there. And it's clipped to the box. Tie wrap to the box. So let's get that off of there. Or maybe that's a security feature or something. See, I have a knife, scissors in here somewhere. Let's see. Okay, got that. Come on out of there. There we go. Oh, a nice little watch holder of some sort. Kind of a complicated process they got going on here. Oh, geez. Feels like a nice leather strap, at least. There's got to be an easier way to do this. You can't just strap these things on. It's taking forever to package up the watch like that. That feels like a nice leather strap, really. Leather keepers. Got two keepers, one fixed, one floating. Stamped clasp, stamped tang. Looks like it's held in place with a spring bar. I think the Timex Expedition logo there stamped in. Okay, let's pull the crown out, take off this piece of plastic. Put it somewhere. Yeah, so I'll spend a little bit of time with this and then put out a full video on this sometime soon here. Let me get it on wrist. Trying to read the case back. Let's see if I can read it through the camera screen here. Stainless steel. Stainless steel back. Battery. Oh, so right there it lists off the battery number, which is nice. The battery model. The focus on this camera. Come on. Timex.com. And then water resistance, what does it say? 50 meter. So since it says stainless steel back, I'm going to assume the case itself is not stainless steel. Kind of a weird defect. Did I just scratch the case with my fingernail? Kind of weird paint defect on the case there. But I bought it months ago, so it's a little bit too late to return it now anyway. A little bit of a paint defect there as well. Sorry. if you can see that on your end of the screen or not. Maybe I'll just give this watch away one of these days. Okay, so it is hacking. It's a quartz movement, so no hand winding, of course. Man, you know, some of these watches with the crown, when you turn it once, it gives you a full rotation. Like one rotation of the crown moves the hour hand all the way around. This takes forever to spin this handset around. I guess you don't even really have to worry about it once a year if you have daylight savings or if your battery dies. Just push-pull crown. You can't tell where the date set is. This doesn't have, typically with a crown, you can kind of tell where you're at. So you're all the way out here. That's your handset time set position. A little bit more in, I should be in date set. It's real mushy. Does it not have a quick date? Oh, this is annoying. Your time set. Man, I want to change the date. Okay, there we go. Finally in the date change. And now I don't even know what the date is today. Let's see, today is today's 26th. All right, there we go. Let me get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. Sorry about the delayed unboxing here, or the extra time for the unboxing. Shouldn't take this long. Unbox a watch. Looks like there's plenty of holes here. Should have enough adjustment for my small wrist. 6.5 inch wrist. And there we go. It's a mineral crystal. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.